Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let me show you how to make this cute cat coasters. So far we had seen very simple videos on magic circle, slip knot, simple flower, heart and all these, right? Today let's do something which has a repetitive simple pattern, but it includes some math as well into it. So let's get started. So for this I have taken a cotton yarn and hook size of 3.5 mm. So the first step would be to make a magic ring, but before that let me quickly explain how this works. First we do a magic ring and then we make 12 double crochets around it first, followed by the rounds, wherein here if you look at it I have made 5 circles of double crochets. So it's all about the calculation. First row, first circle will have 12 double crochets. The next circle will have 24 double crochets. So the increase would be of making 2 double crochets in each chain. That's how the second circle is going to be made. When we come to the third circle, again there would be an increase in a multiple of 3. So we would end up making 36 double crochets. So how we go about is, first chain would be, the pattern followed would be 1 double crochet followed by 2 double crochets. So that's how we would increase in the third circle. When we move to the fourth, it would be again a multiple of 12, because we started up with 12 double crochets in the beginning, right? So we would follow the increase in multiples of 12. So the fourth circle would be 48 double crochets. So the pattern would be 1 double crochet in the first chain, 1 double crochet in the second chain, and 2 double crochets in the third chain, so that we would ensure that we increase it in multiples of 4. And then lastly we make cute little ears around the cat coaster and end the process. First we start with the magic ring. As I'd mentioned in my previous video, first we yarn over, make the X, flip your hand, insert the hook and pull the yarn over and make the magic ring. And first to start we make 2 chains, 1, 2. This would be our first starting chain that we make. We would not be counting it as a stitch. So we will have to make 12 double crochets. This is my first double crochet, so I'm not counting the 2 chains that I have made, right? So we have the first double crochet, then I would be making 11 more double crochets inside the magic circle. So this is my second double crochet. So this way we would continue the pattern and make 12 double crochet around the magic ring. So now I have completed the double crochets. This is my last 12th double crochet that I am making, and now I'll close the magic ring by making a slip stitch into the first chain. So let me tighten the magic ring and let me do a slip stitch. So this completes the first round. Now let's get started with the second round. So we start with 2 chains. So again, I will not be counting this 2 chain, but I would start counting from the first double crochet that I make. So here we would have to increase and make 24 double crochets. So each chain I would make 2 double crochets. So this is the first chain in which I have made 2 double crochets. Now again I am making the third double crochet in the next chain and the fourth one in the same chain. So this way we will have to continue the pattern of 2 double crochet in each chain, and we would have 24 double crochets in the end. So here I am in the final step of the last 2 double crochets for the second circle to complete it. So here I've made the 23rd and the 24th double crochet. Now you would find a slight gap or a chain which is empty, which you might feel it needs to be counted, but ensure that you don't stitch into it and you do a slip stitch into the first chain. So always keep a count on the number of double crochets so that you don't miss out on the exact count when you complete it. Now we would start with the third row. So the third circle, again we start with 2 chain, and here we would have to make 36 double crochets. So we start with the pattern of 1 double crochet in the first chain followed by 2 double crochets in the next chain. So that's the multiple of 3 that pattern that we would be following. So here I have made 1 double crochet in first chain where we had made 2 chains, and the next chain I would make 2 double crochets. Then again 1 double crochet in the next one followed by 2 double crochets in the next chain. So this is the pattern that I would be following, and I'll complete the third row with 36 double crochets. So let me complete this pattern of 1 double crochet in one and 2 double crochets in the other, and I'll be back with the final stitches. So here I am with the last steps of the third row. So I have 1 double crochet, and finally I will be ending it with 2 double crochets in the last chain. So that will complete total of 36 double crochets in the third circle, and then slip stitch into the first chain. So here we have completed 3 circles for now. Now we would go with the fourth circle. Again we start with 2 chain, and here we need 48 double crochets. So the pattern would be 1 double crochet in the first chain, again 1 double crochet in the next chain, followed by 2 double crochets in the next chain. So this is the chain where I would do 2 double crochets. So this is how we would follow the pattern. So again 1 double crochet in the next chain, again 1 double crochet in the next chain, and 2 double crochets in the following chain. So this way Let's follow the pattern, repeat the pattern until we come to the last chain and complete a 48 double crochet. So here I have completed 4 rounds of double crochet. Now we would need to fix the ears around the border. So for that, first what we do is, there is a single crochet that we do and skip a stitch and do a double crochet. So you can see I've made 3 double crochets followed by 1 triple crochet. Then there is a chain 1 that acts as the middle, and then we repeat the reverse pattern. 1 triple crochet, 3 double crochet, skip a stitch and a single crochet, followed by 10 single crochets, which leads us to the other side and make the other end of the ear. So let's get started with it. First we do a single crochet in the next chain, insert the hook, pull the yarn and a single crochet. Now we skip the next chain and do a double crochet in the next chain. So we have to make 3 double crochets. So this is the second double crochet, the third one, and then we do a treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert into the same chain and complete the treble crochet. Then we do a chain 1 and we would reverse. So we start with 1 treble crochet into the same space, followed by 3 double crochets. So this is our treble crochet. Now we start with our double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. So that completes that, and then skip 1 stitch and do a single crochet in the next stitch. Now to transfer or move on to the other side, we have to make 10 single crochets. So this is the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the 6th one now, 7th, 8th, 9th and the 10th single crochet. Now we skip a stitch, we skip a chain and do a double crochet in the next chain. So here we would again follow the pattern as per the previous ear that we had made. Skip 1 chain and insert into the next chain and make 3 double crochet into that chain. So this is the first double crochet, the second one and the third one. Now we have to do 1 treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert into the same chain, complete the treble crochet and chain 1 and then repeat the pattern. 1 triple crochet into the same chain, followed by 3 double crochet. So let me complete the treble crochet here. So this is the first double crochet, the second one, and the third double crochet, and we end it with a single crochet after leaving one chain. We skip a chain and then do a single crochet in the next chain and slip stitch, and we can cut the yarn that is extra there. So this completes our coaster, cat coaster. So you can actually decide the number of rounds that you would want to make. Here in this I have made 5 rounds, and this again you can see this is made of 7 rounds I think, but it's also not double crochet, it's half double crochet. Let me know if you like this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye.